ladies, good morning. It's Patrick again with the Beard Channel. Like I just sporting my do-rag this morning, get my hair nice and right, getting ready to go to church and stuff like that. Just want to drop one cool tip, for your husbands that have beards and for your gentlemen that have beards. Best thing that you can do for your beard, or not, I can't even say best thing because there's tons of best things that are listed throughout the channel and stuff like that, guys. But bar none one of them, excuse me, a little beard here on my tongue there. But bar none, one of the best things you can do for your beard, guys and ladies, for your husbands or boyfriends or anyone searching for style and things of that nature, is a great outfit. If you don't dress up, try it. Dress the beard up. The beard is already something that's very, very masculine, very strong looking, something that denotes strength and honesty and a certain amount and level of confidence and things of that nature. So one of the greatest things you can do around that area, that vicinity of styling options and growth and mental capacities is to dress it up, put other elements together on the body or inside that that support the same thing. That's why I'm wearing I got my floral print tie on with my paisley shirt. These are very, very poignant patterns. They have a lot of character, as well as the beard has a lot of character. These patterns worn together denote a lot of confidence, intellectual, artistic confidence as well, and expression. And those things, they go together. I'm stretching my character, if you will, because this is the first time wearing this tie. I could have worn it with a more calm shirt, but I feel very, very vibrant and full of energy, and those things are what you give off when you just walk out with a beard. So why not support those things with the outfits, guys and gals? Peace.